How to use stopwatch in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open app library and then click on utilities, and now open clock. After that, you can see the option stopwatch. Click on stopwatch, and if you want to start your stopwatch, then simply click on the start button and your stopwatch will be started. And if you want to stop your stopwatch, then simply click on stop, it will be stop. And if you want to reset your stopwatch, then simply click on reset, it will be reset. And stop. And then simply click on reset. So this is the way to use stopwatch in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.